morning, guys. So we are going to, I'm not gonna say, you guys are gonna have to wait to see where we are going. Just traveling with my hubby and his friend. Oh god, focus.
And looking after you in the cabin, flight cabin led by Eduardo.
So I'm not sure what I was mumbling about there, but basically in the plane I unplugged the microphone and forgot to push it back in when I got off the plane. So we've just arrived to Iceland, guys. How exciting. Oh my god, we will be here for 7 days. We've just arrived at a place. Oh god, it's so bad. Look how nice and red the floor is. We were trying to go to one waterfall, but the road conditions were really bad, so we had to basically turn around. It's our second day here and we are just packing up. Just a quick update. So where I spoke to you last, we are still in the same place. What's happened is the battery of the car died and we called the rental place and they're not helping us. They're telling us to call road assistance and pay for ourselves. No luck. We've been here for 5 hours now. It's so cold and nothing just yet. So we're just waiting for one guy to come. Hopefully, he said he's got crocodile clips, but he needs to go home and get them or charge them or something. I don't know. Hopefully, we get freed soon, and plus the heating won't work because the car's not working. So still in the same spot. Nice view though. It's just so annoying. Hi guys, as I am editing the video, I did forget to talk through what happened after the battery was changed. I just jumped into the next waterfall because we were too excited to, leave the place after 7 hours of being there. So we had a guy that helped us. It was the first day of summer in Iceland, so it was kind of like a bank holiday, so no one was working. And one guy did help and call his friend and said he can come and start the car up for us. So he did come and literally took about 10 seconds and we did have to pay about £300 for that. So I hope you carry on watching and enjoy. We're just gonna go to another waterfall. Why do I still feel awkward when people watch me? Yeah. Don't mind my hair. Every time I try and brush it, it literally looks like I just came out of the washing machine. How many stairs did we just climb down? I want to go close and show you guys what it actually looks like so close. And my lens has water on it. I literally have to hold it like this, otherwise you can't see. 3. We've just arrived to go and see the plane wreck. It's super windy, but we've just arrived at Black Beach. Have you guys ever seen black sand? Good morning, everyone. It's day 4, I think. We're just leaving the campsite and we're gonna go and carry on with the journey. The campsite was really nice. There was fridge, like a proper kitchen, like you could literally live here. Sockets, showers, toilets. Can't even wash my hair, like I don't have shampoo and there's no dryers anywhere, so I have to do with dry shampoo like this, spray it on and hope for the best.